On the second part of overhead costing, we have to study about calculation of machine hour rate. Okay, that means for 1 hour, what is the cost of running the machinery? That is nothing but it is called machine hour rate. Okay, so quickly we'll start. Is it visible now, bacha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, this is the topic, or we can say it is subtopic of the overhead costing, which is about calculation of machine hour rate. Here, let us understand what do you mean by machine hour rate. So, as I said, machine hour rate is nothing but finding out the cost of running of machinery for 1 hour. Okay, so machine hour rate is an actual or predetermined rate of cost apportionment for the overhead absorption. That means how much I am going to recover. Okay, what will be the cost of my machine for running 1 hour? That cost we have to find out. Okay, next one is there is a small formula. If you remember, can you recollect and tell me what is the formula for calculation of labor hour rate, beta? Anyone?
Total wages upon divided by hours.
Total wages upon number of hours. Same way, to find out machine hour rate, there is one simple formula: total cost of machine, which is called as total factory overhead, divided by total machine hours. That means the number of hours machine has run. Correct? Everyone? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
Yes, sir.
now let us understand some advantages of this machine hour rate. Why we need this? So machine hour rate, basically that will help you to find out which are the different expenses of fixed nature and variable nature. This is also called as standing charge and running charge. Standing charge are those expenses which remain fixed. Okay, irrespective of your production or running of machine, those expenses will remain fixed. Like example, maybe rent, your lights, light point, light requirement. Okay, insurance. These are the expenses of standing charge which remain fixed. Variable as those expenses which increases or decreases depending upon the running of the machinery. Like example, maybe repairs, power consumption. These are the basic example for running charges. Is this clear, everyone? So this is the first advantage, that we can easily find out what are the expenses which remain fixed and what are the expenses of variable nature. Okay, beta. Next is about measurement. With the help of machine hour rate, which we can easily measure the efficiency of machines, whether my machine is efficiently working or to what extent the efficiency we can easily find out for my machine. Okay, the next one is we can easily find out about idle time. Idle time, the number of hours the machine was, or there was wastage of time. We can say the production was 0 at that time. It is called idle time. Okay, so it helps to in estimating of cost, because unless and until you know what is machine hour rate, what is the cost of machine for 1 hour, you are not able to find out the cost. Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes,
So
sir.
no. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next one is this will help you to find out, or we can easily distinguish between what is machine hours or what are the manual work is done by the workers. And at the same time, we can find out which one is more efficient, and we should go for employing more and more worker, or we should install new machines instead of employing workers. So this all decisions we can take with the help of machine hour rate. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next one
Yes, sir.
is next one we are going to study about the standing charge, and we'll take some example of standing charge. What are the expenses comes under standing charge? So this is a small list I have prepared, and these expenses on what basis we can distribute, that also have been given to you. So see, the rent and lighting, these are the standing charge which can be distributed on the basis of floor area.
Floor
Yes or
area
no?
occupied. Yes.
Then we have
Heating and lighting.
heating and lighting, that can be that will go as per distributed as per number of
Number.
light. Okay, Then supervisory expense, that will go as per time devoted by supervisor on that machine. And insurance, again, the value of asset, the value of your machine will be distributed in that way. Okay, then which are these two things, lubricating oil and consumable stores. Now in some textbook you can find this in running charge, and in some textbook you can find it in standing charge. The reason, you know, why we can take in both way, there are two different assumptions. Okay, the first assumption, that assuming as a standing charge, that after every particular interval your machine may be requiring some oiling and consumable stores. Like if you remember, Vacha, have you ever visited to any car or vehicle service center? When you buy any new vehicle, or say any two-wheeler or four-wheeler, we get some services, correct? We get some free services, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And that is we have to finish in 1 year, correct?
Yes.
How many services are free that time we get?
Sorry, sir.
How many services we get in a year, free services?
6 services for 1 year.
For 1 year. Okay, 6 services, 4 services, 3 services, that depends from company to company. Let us assume that we are getting 4 services in a year. That means, and how much interval should be there between one services?
3 months.
3 months, correct? So if you assume in that way, okay, that every 3 months I have to go for servicing. Okay, so when you go for servicing, you have to change your engine oil and all, yes or no? So these are some basic requirement of the machine. Same way, after particular interval, your machine needs some oiling, correct? So if you assume in this way, that after one particular interval, you have to replace the oil or you have to change the oil, then it will come under standing charge. But bacha, at the same time, services is also given on the basis of some number of kilometers run, yes or no?
Yes.
If your vehicle run for, let's say, 10,000 kilometers or 1,000 kilometers, you have to go for first services, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you have that assumption in your mind, in that case, your servicing or your lubricating oil will go in running charges. Is this clear, everyone? So you can take both way, but
Yes.
the thing is that you have to write a note. Whatever assumption you are taking, you have to write a note for it. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
the
sir.
next is about running charge. So here is the slide for running charge. Okay, there are examples which are comes under running charge is depreciation, power consumption, repairs and maintenance. Okay, depreciation, see, we have to calculate, we have to find out per hour depreciation, correct? Because ultimately, as I said, we have to calculate machine hour rate. How will get the machine hour rate, bacha? The machine hour rate can be classified into two ways, na? Standing charge and running charge. When you find out standing charge per hour and when you get running charge per hour, you have to just club these two, you will get the machine hour rate. Is this clear, everyone? So this depreciation, bacha, we have to find out per hour. Generally, we get depreciation on some fixed percentage of the cost value, if you remember. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
here we have to
Yes, sir.
assume that running depreciation is a running charge. The reason, you know why? There is a one basic assumption. They believe if your machinery runs for more number of hours in a day, its life will be reduced. If your machinery run for less number of days, less number of hours in a day, then its life increases. Yes or no? There is a two machinery we have. Just by example, we'll take one example. We have two machinery, machine 1 and machine 2. Machine 1 run for 24/7. And machine number 2 runs for only 8 hours in a day. Okay, which machine will have a long life, beta? Machine 1 or 2? If you have two machines, machine 1 or 2, come on.
2 machine
Two.
2.
Machine number 2, correct? So that is a basic assumption. That is why depreciation we have to take in running charge. The more you run machine, the depreciation charges will be more. Okay, repair and maintenance is also goes in that way only. Yes, na beta? If you run more machinery, runs for more number of hours. If your machinery runs for more number of hours, it needs more repair and maintenance continuously. Yes or no? If that machinery runs for less number of hours, it not need that repair and maintenance again and again. Correct? Power consumption is we can directly relate. The more you run the machine, the more will be power consumed. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
So here one small format I have prepared, which you have to use for solving the sums. Okay. So see how we have to do. We have to write all standing charges together. We have to find out standing charges per hour. Okay. Same way we have to find running charges. That will be by default. We have to take it in 1 hour basis. And when you club standing charge per hour and running charge per hour, you'll get machine hour rate. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Just quickly, if you want to take a screenshot, just take it. And I'll move to next slide.
Done, sir.
Okay, beta. Now this is the last slide. And now we can start with the problem. Okay. Any doubt, any confusion till here? Anyone? Yes or no?
No, no, sir.
Okay, fine. Now I'll just start this.
No, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay. Yeah, these are the yes. Vedant, can you read the question, beta? Vedant,
Yes, sir.
you just start, beta.
Question number 7.
Yes.
Question number 7. Calculate the comprehensive machine hour rate from the following details. Brought machinery rupees 45,000. Installation charges 5,000. Life of machine 5 years. Working hour per year 2,500. Repair charges 75% of depreciation. Electric power consumed 10 unit per hour at the rate 15 paisa per unit. Lubricant oil rupees 4 per day of 8 hours. Consumable store at the rate rupees 10 per day of 8 hours. Wages of machine operator rupees 8 per day of 8 hours.
Done. This is the question completed here. Now, bacha, one important thing I have to just mention here, this wages of machine operator. Now the question comes whether we have to take wages of machine operator or not. So that totally depends upon the question. Bacha, see, in this question, they have asked you comprehensive machine hour rate. In this question, we have to take wages of machine operator. Okay. And if the question comes only to calculate machine hour rate, we have to ignore this wages of machine operator. When they ask you to calculate only machine hour rate, bacha, we have to consider only expenses. Sorry. We have to consider only expenses of which is related to machines. Okay. Purely related to machine. Now, when they ask you to calculate comprehensive machine hour rate, we have to consider all possible expenses to make the machine run in running condition. Okay, so we have to include wages of machine operator also if they are asked you to calculate comprehensive machine hour rate. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
first, this 3 information which is given to us, this one. Okay, this will help us to calculate depreciation that I'll tell you later. First, let us start with the next, what is given. Now, bacha, repair charges. Have you seen the format? Can you tell me repair will come in running charge or standing charge?
Running.
Running charges.
Yeah, it is running charge, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, this electric power consumed. Come on, tell me, running or standing? Power, beta, power. As I said, the more you
running
run,
charges.
yes, it will be running charges, correct?
Okay, running charges.
Next
Yes.
one, beta, next one.
Lubricant, oil.
As we discussed.
Standing charges.
Standing
Standing
charges.
charge.
Okay, bacha. Next one.
Consumable
Consumable
stores.
stores.
Standing charge.
Standing
Standing
charges.
charges. Very good, very good. Now, next one is wages of machine operator. Bacha, wages, see here the information as it is given. 8 per day of 8 hours. Okay. So wages operator, the more he runs the machine, the more he get the wages, correct? He is running for 8 hours, he is getting 8 rupees wages. So that is also running charge. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now here, depreciation. Now, bacha, earlier we used to calculate depreciation on the fixed value of the asset, 10%, either it probably from straight line or WDV, correct? But here, calculation of depreciation, we have a different formula. Fine? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, and for depreciation also will go in running charge, correct?
Yes, sir. Running
Depreciation
charge.
is also a running charge, na beta?
Yes, sir.
So this all information, with this information, can we calculate depreciation? Any formula if you remember? You have studied this formula already somewhere. Yes? In FIJC,
Machinery,
Uh-huh.
machinery plus installation.
10,000.
Divided by 5.
10,000. But how you got it? What is the
45,000.
formula you applied?
And machinery plus installation divided by life.
Divide by life of machine.
Okay, very good, very good. That is the formula for calculating depreciation. The formula is
Depreciation.
purchase price of machine plus installation
Installation.
charges minus
Installation.
scrap value
Divide by.
life of machine. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll quickly solve this. Which I'll give you 2 minutes. Just quickly prepare this format. Just particulars, amount and amount. Do it. Should I start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, the first standing charge we had is lubricant oil. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So lubricant oil. Come on, tell me what I have to write amount for lubricant oil. What is given?
Rupees 4 for 8 hours.
Rupees 4 for 8 hours. So here rupees 4 I will write. Correct? Next one is, next standing charge we have consumable stores. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So consumable store. Come on, tell me amount.
Rupees 10 per day.
Very good. Rupees 10 per day. Now, can you tell me any other standing charge we have? Or
No,
only
sir.
2?
No.
Done, na? Only 2 standing charge we have. So, come on, tell me total. Total standing charge. Yes, come on, tell me, beta. Just take total of these two. That's it.
14.
14.
Now, standing charge per hour, beta. Now, this 14 rupees for how many hours? Just see in the question. Information is given for how many hours? See, everywhere it is 8 hours, na?
Yes, sir.
So, this information is for 8 hours,
Yes,
correct?
sir. 112.
So, divided number of hours is given 8 hours, na, beta? So, it will be divided by
1.75.
1.75. Correct.
7.5.
Okay. Anything else?
No.
Standing
No, sir.
charge is completed. Per hour we got. Now we have to calculate all running charges, bacha. Okay. The first one, and always remember you have to take first as depreciation, because bacha, depreciation will not be directly given to you, you know. So we have to find it out. And if you don't take it first, you may forget it. Okay. So first
Yes.
we'll find out with the formula as I said. See the formula, purchase price plus installation. What is the purchase price given, beta, everyone?
45,000.
45,000. Now, any installation charges we have paid?
Yes, sir.
5,000.
5,000.
5,000. Then, any scrap value we have?
No.
No, sir.
So, it is 0. Okay.
0.
Now, divided by?
5.
5.
Life of machine.
Yes, life of machine, which is 5. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Come on, replace the value and tell me.
10,000.
10,000. Now, this 10,000 is for 1 year, na beta?
1 year.
I want depreciation per hour. Just see. Yes or no? So can in a year, how many number of hours? How much number of hours it is given?
2,500.
So to find out for 1 hour, can you tell me the
4
answer?
rupees.
So what we have to do? We have to again multiply, or we can say this denominator we have to multiply by 2,500. So when you solve, you'll get value rupees 4.
4.
Rupees 4 per hour. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I will write depreciation as working note number 1 as rupees 4. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, next
Sir, once
running charge.
again,
Yes, beta, what you want?
calculation.
This calculation.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bacha, here you have to calculation, you have to do very carefully. Everything cannot be solved together on calculator. First solve the numerator, then solve the denominator, then finally do it again. Like 45,000 plus 5,000 comes to 50,000, correct?
Yes, sir.
And this 2,505 multiply what you will get? Just do it, beta.
I'm asking about 2,500. How did you got
This
2,500?
2,500, na bacha? It is given
Yes,
in the
sir.
question. See, bacha. Working hours per year. In a year, machine is going to run for 2,500.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
2,500 hours. And they said, we got the answer that 10,000, that is depreciation amount is for 1 year. We want depreciation per hour, na beta? So
Yes,
when you
sir.
divide that 10,000 further
Okay.
by 2,500, you will get the value.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
bacha?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, the next running charge we have seen the question.
Repair charges.
Repair charges. So repair charges.
75% of depreciation.
Repair charges. See, repair. Yes, repair charges. See how the question is framed very brilliantly. They said it is 75% of
Depreciation.
depreciation. So if you are not able to get the depreciation, you are not able to find out repair charges also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So come on, tell me.
3.
Yes. Everyone getting 3 rupees?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now any other running charge we have?
Yes, sir.
It is
Electric power
Electric
consumed.
power
power
consumed.
consumed. So it is power. So it is power. Come on, tell me. What is the information for power? How
10
to
units
calculate?
per hour.
They said for 1 hour, the machine needs 10 units. And what is the rate for per unit?
15 paisa.
15 paisa.
15 paisa, which is 0.15,
1
correct?
5.
Yes, sir.
So if you multiply, you'll get the values in rupees.
1.5.
1.5. Everyone got this?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Now, any other running charge we have? See, wages of machine
Wages
operator.
of machine operator.
Here they have asked you, na, computation of comprehensive. You have to write this. Comprehensive machine hour rate. Okay.
Yeah.
So, wages of machine operator will write. Yes, what is the value? They said for 8 hours, he'll get 8 rupees. Yes or no? So for 1 hour, it will be
1
1
rupee.
1
rupees.
rupees.
1
Very
rupee.
good. Now, can you tell me what will be the running charges? Just take
Ni-
total
9.5.
9.5.
9.5. Done, bacha?
Yes.
Now,
sir.
what will be machine hour rate now?
11.25.
Okay, very good. 11.25. Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure?
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is your answer for first question of machine hour rate. Is this clear, everyone? Any
Yes,
doubt,
sir.
any confusion?
No, sir.
Should I continue to next question now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Who will read this now? Anyone?
Question number 8.
Yeah.
The following particulars relate to a new machine. Purchase price 4 lakh, installation expenses 1 lakh, rent per quarters 3750, general lighting for total area 1000 per month, foreman salaries 30,000 per annum, insurance premium for the machines 3000 per annum, departmental overheads for the machine 5000 per annum, consumable stores 4000 per annum, power 2 units per hour at 50 paise per unit. The estimated life of the machine is 10 years and the scrap value at the end of 10th year is rupees 1 lakh. The machine is expected to run 20,000 hours in its lifetime. The machine occupies 25% of total area. The foreman devotes 1/6 of his time for the machine.
And bacha, now let us quickly decide which expenses are of standing nature and which expenses are of running
Running
nature.
nature.
Correct? Now this first purchase price installation, this will help you to calculate
Depreciation.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So again, in that depreciation finally will come in running charge, na?
Yes,
Now
sir.
rent, come on, tell me, rent is standing or running?
Standing.
Standing charge.
Standing.
Standing.
Very good, very good. Okay, continue, beta. General lighting, come on, tell me.
Standing.
It
Standing
is
charges.
standing, okay?
Yes.
Very good. Now foreman salary, what's your salary?
Standing.
Standing.
Salary will
Standing.
remain
Fixed.
standing. Very good. Next
Yes.
one,
Insurance
Standing.
premium.
insurance premium
Standing.
will be standing, correct?
Standing.
Next
Yes.
one,
Standing.
Standing.
departmental. Yes,
Departmental.
very good. There are some fixed expenses. We have department we have incurred for machines. It is standing. Then
Consumable stores.
ये भी
Standing.
standing.
standing charge, consumable store, standing charge. Next one,
Power running.
Running.
power is running. Very good, bacha. Very good. Now, yes. So fine. So right now we have two running charges and rest all standing charges. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Now, yes, beta.
a departmental overhead for machines, how come it is standing?
Bacha, there are some fixed expenses like cleaning charges or some there are fixed maintenance and all that department have to incur for that machine. So the monthly that amount may be, na? That is why. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Well, next one. Any other doubt, beta? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Now quickly prepare format, bacha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now very first standing charge. What you got?
Foreman salary.
Is it foreman salary? Send check again, beta. It is rent, na beta?
Rent per quarter.
Ah. So rent. Now come on, tell me what will be the rent value amount should come here.
3,750.
3,750. This 3,750 ekta is for 1 quarter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Per
And
quarter.
the
yes.
rest all information. See, every information is given annually, na? So we have to convert this also in annual basis. Yes or no, beta?
15,000.
Yes, sir.
Now come on, tell me in a year how many quarters are there?
4.
4 quarters.
So multiply by 4. Correct?
Yes,
Everyone.
sir. 15,000.
Now
Yes,
see
sir.
the question again. They say
25%.
your machine occupies only 25% of the total area. The rent which we pay is for the whole premises, na beta?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
And my machines occupy only 25%.
तो 3750 ही आएगा आंसर.
That is just coincidence. Okay. But my question is, we have to take only 25%. Okay. Because
Yes,
my
sir.
machine covers only 25 and we have to calculate purely for machine related expense. Yes or no, Bicha?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Come on, solve and tell me.
3750.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
And don't be under impression always this happened. Okay. This is just a
Yes, sir.
coincidence we got here.
Same
Now-
value.
Yeah, same value. So next one is general lighting. So general lighting. Come on, tell me value.
1,000 per month.
1,000 per month, na?
Yes.
So
sir.
we want annually. We want annually, na beta?
Yes.
1,000.
Yes.
12,000. But again, this is for whole area lighting requirement. My machine cover only
25%.
25%
Have
area.
you understood now? Come on, tell me.
Yes.
3000.
3,000.
This will not come same, na?
No.
Okay. Next one.
Next.
Foreman salary.
Foreman salary.
Woman salary.
30,000 per month.
30,000.
It is 50,000.
No, 30,000 per month.
It is
30,000.
30,000. Okay, 30,000 per annum.
Per
na, bacha?
annum. Yes.
It
sir.
is yearly, no problem. But the problem, see here, the foreman devote only 1/6 of his total time for the machine. So we have to take full salary or
5,000.
only 1/6 of that.
1/6.
1/6.
Correct. Exactly. I hope everyone is
5,000.
understanding. Correct.
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So 1 divided by 6. Come on,
6.
tell me.
5,000.
5,000.
Okay, 5,000. Now
Insurance premium.
insurance.
Insurance premium for machine.
Insurance Come on. What is the value given? And it is specifically for machine only, na bacha?
Yes, sir.
The whole
Sure.
amount will come
Premium for
3,000,
machine.
correct?
3,000 per
Okay.
annum.
So whole amount of 3,000 will come here. Come on, next one.
Departmental overheads for
Okay,
machine.
departmental overhead
5,000.
It is 5,000. It is annually and it is purely for machine.
Uh,
Next one,
Consumable stores.
consumable stores.
4,000 per annum.
Yeah, it is 4,000 per annum. So 4,000 will come here. Anything else?
No, sir.
That
No,
now,
sir.
come on, tell me what is total standing charge?
23 750.
750. Now this is for 1 year, bacha. Again, we want per hour, correct? We want for per hour, na 23,750. Now, what is the number of hours machine is going to run for a year? Come on, just divide. You will get the value. Seeing the question again and again.
1.1875.
We'll see. Just a minute, beta. Yes, come on, tell me what is the number of hours. First, tell me that, Sunny.
20,000 hours.
Again, read it very carefully. The machine is expected to run 20,000 hours in its lifetime, not for 1 year. What is the life of the machine? See, it is 10 years,
years.
correct?
10
That
years.
this 20,000 hours is for 10 years, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, what will be for 1 year? Come on, tell me quickly.
2,000, yeah.
Exactly. So 2,000 will be. So be very careful. See, the questions are very easy, but the important is how you understand it, correct?
Yes, sir.
So reading of the question and again in costing is very important. Okay. Come on, tell me what will be
11.875.
11.875.
875.
Understood, everyone?
Yes,
Bacha,
sir.
any
Yes,
doubt,
sir.
any confusion?
No, sir.
Done, bacha? Everyone? Now, tell me, depreciation, what is the values given? We'll just do the calculation here itself.
4 lakh plus 1 lakh
It is 4 lakh
Lakh plus 1 lakh.
minus 1 lakh.
plus 1 lakh. So, scrap value is 1 lakh again, na bacha?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sir, आपने 10,000 लिखा है installation.
Okay, okay. It should be 1 lakh, correct? Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
So here I'll put again one more bracket. Yeah, divided by life of machine, na?
10 years.
10 years
10
and
years.
10 years into 2,000, correct?
Yes,
To
sir.
find out per hour rate. So directly we can write 20,000 also, and if you want, you can write 10 into 2,000. Both
20,000 hours, sir.
both is perfect. Yes, yes. 20,000. What is the final answer? Solve it.
20,000.
Just check once again, but how come 20,000? It will come in some rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 20 rupees, like that.
Rupees.
How much?
2 rupees.
Just check. How come? This, see, bacha, try to understand. You have to
Sir,
solve.
scrap value
the
10,000
numerator.
आपने लिखा है.
Sir, scrap value 1 lakh रहेगा ना?
Okay, yeah. So 1 lakh. Okay. So just solve it and tell me. Beta, you have to solve numerator differently and your
20 rupees.
denominator separately. Yes.
20 rupees.
Like
20
everyone
rupees.
getting the
20
same
आ
value?
रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. 20 rupees.
20 rupees आ रहा है.
And what is power consumption requirement? For 1
2
hour?
units per hour
2
at
units.
50,
For 1 hour, you need 2 units. And what is the rate? 50 paisa,
50
na?
paisa. हाँ.
So come on, tell me final answer.
1.
1. Very good. That comes to total running charge.
32.8.
Total running charge, bacha.
21,
21.
51.
And final machine hour rate
32.875.
32.875.
32.875.
Done, bacha?
Yes, sir.